Rear-view mirrors ensure safe driving by eliminating blind spots, improving awareness, and helping prevent accidents on the road. Today's video is about top 5 best rear-view mirrors that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at VariView Universal Panoramic Rear View Mirror. The VariView Mirror's 12-inch clip-on rear-view mirror is a practical upgrade for safer and more confident driving. Its enhanced wide-angle design delivers a panoramic field of view that significantly reduces blind spots, helping drivers stay more aware of surrounding traffic. This makes lane changes and reversing noticeably safer, especially in busy road conditions. One of its standout features is the anti-glare tint, which effectively reduces headlight glare at night and harsh sunlight during the day, ensuring a more comfortable and less stressful driving experience. The mirror is also highly versatile, with universal compatibility that allows it to fit most cars, SUVs, and trucks effortlessly. For parents, it offers added peace of mind by providing a clear view of rear-facing baby seats, making child monitoring much easier while driving. Built from durable materials, it feels sturdy and reliable, while the clip-on installation is quick and tool-free, taking only seconds. Overall, it's a simple yet highly effective safety accessory. Now our second product is Loyland Passenger Side Mirror. This passenger side mirror replacement glass for Honda Civic 2022 to 2024, 11th generation, is a reliable and practical solution for restoring clear visibility on the passenger side. Designed as a direct fit replacement, it installs without any trimming or modification, making it a perfect match for the original factory specifications. The glass quality is noticeably improved, offering sharper and clearer visibility for safer driving and better awareness of surrounding vehicles. Combined with durable ABS material, it ensures long-lasting performance and stability on the road. Although it does not include an auto-dimming function, it still delivers consistent and reliable reflection for everyday driving needs. Installation is straightforward and can be completed within minutes. The mounting points align perfectly with the original mirror, and it is fully compatible with existing wiring and interfaces. The package also includes an installation guide, making the replacement process even easier. Overall, it's a cost-effective and dependable choice for Civic owners. Our third product is Onco Baby Car Mirror Rear-Facing. The Onco Rear-Facing Baby Car Mirror is a highly reliable safety accessory designed to give parents peace of mind while driving. Made from 100% shatterproof acrylic, it eliminates the risk of dangerous glass shards, ensuring maximum safety even if it is accidentally knocked or dropped. Its award-winning reputation, including multiple Mother and Baby and Loves by Parents awards, further highlights its trusted quality and performance. Built with a shake-proof design, non-slip base, and strong strap fastenings, the mirror stays firmly in place without wobbling during travel. The convex 9.6 by 6.8-inch surface provides a clear, wide, and distortion-free view of your rear-facing baby seat, allowing parents to monitor their child without turning around or stopping the vehicle. The 360 degrees rotation feature makes angle adjustment easy, offering flexible viewing positions without reinstalling. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with secure compatibility for most adjustable headrests. Overall, it's a durable, practical, and safety-focused solution for family road trips. Now number 4, Joytutus Rear View Mirror. This 2-in-1 rear view mirror is a smart and practical upgrade for safer driving, especially for families. Its built-in baby mirror adds extra convenience by allowing drivers to monitor rear seats without turning around, making it ideal for those traveling with children, elderly passengers, or pets. The expanded design increases the field of view by up to 30%, significantly improving overall awareness on the road. The 12-inch wide-angle mirror delivers a broader, clearer perspective, helping to reduce blind spots, improve lane safety, and make reversing easier and more controlled. High-quality HD glass ensures sharp, distortion-free reflections for a more accurate view of vehicles behind. It is also highly versatile, fitting most cars, SUVs, and trucks. Installation is extremely quick, taking only about 8 seconds with a secure clip-on design. The durable packaging adds extra protection during shipping, keeping the mirror safe from damage. Overall, it's a reliable, easy-to-use, and safety-enhancing driving accessory. And our last choice is Gapupu Universal Rearview Mirror. This 10.5-inch universal rearview mirror is a practical and reliable upgrade for a wide range of vehicles, including Toyota, Honda Civic, Ford, Nissan, Chevrolet, Hyundai, Kia, Mazda, and more. Its universal design makes it a convenient replacement option for most standard rearview mirror setups. Built from scratch-resistant plastic and high-quality glass, it offers strong durability and long-term use. Unlike traditional suction cup models, it provides a more stable and secure fit, reducing the risk of slipping or detachment while driving. One of its key highlights is the anti-glare feature, which can be manually activated to reduce headlight glare at night and improve driving safety. The mirror also delivers a clear and sharp reflection, enhancing visibility in all conditions. With 360-degree rotation through dual rotating heads, it allows flexible angle adjustment for a wider and more complete field of view. Overall, it's a sturdy, safe, and easy-to-install solution for better driving visibility. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.